How to fail beaten coffee. 1. Trust your senses. It is not important to keep the ratio of coffee 1, sugar 1, water 1 is the recipe. Add as many ingredients as you want. Now that we are ready, we can mix it with a whisk. Well, something's a little disappointing. The shortcut to spoil the coffee is to put a lot of liquid. 2. Mix the ingredients in the large bowl counterclockwise. Wipe quickly with a pretty yellow duster so that it doesn't stain. 3. If you have a chance of 1% success, add ingredients as much as your passion. Add. Mix. And add. And mix. Seeing it turn thick feels like you've succeeded. But you're completely mistaken. If you see sugar grains, it's a complete failure. 4. It is finally tasting time in 2 hours of coffee making. Get the most beautiful cup in the house and fill it with ice to look a little fine. The standard way is to add milk, but as expected, there is only soy milk in the house. You can't eat anyway, so it doesn't matter if the expiration date has passed. Carefully scoop up and put in. Thanks to all the ingredients, the cream is splashing into the cup, like diving. If you make a yellow, sticky coffee cream, nothing goes down like this. Don't worry, we're determined to fail from the start. We succeeded in failing. Mix the soaked coffee cream well. Even mixing is not easy, like our life. But if you try, you'll see the end someday. It's almost done. Grain powder. No, beaten mocha coffee is done. It tastes like grain powder, as good as it looks. If you fall asleep, make this. Your arms hurt, so you will wake up. 5. There's 14 bags of coffee and you can't just throw it away. First, scrape off with a spoon. In a water-filled blender, put a coffee cream, a lump of sugar. It looks finer than beaten coffee I made earlier. Stir without thinking about visual. Turn the lid strongly and close well. Otherwise, you can leak like an unlocked faucet. No more power to mix by hand. Grind finely with a blender. Now, if you put this in water, it becomes Americano.
How to succeed in making ordinary coffee. Fill your favorite tumbler with ice and water. Choose a bag of coffee according to your taste and pour it into a small cup. Add cold water to melt the powder and the coffee tastes better. Fill it with enough water. Close the lid well. Making coffee in just 2 minutes. Done.